In 1920, it took a factory and 1,000 workers to build a $1 million brand. In 2026, it takes a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. We are living in the era of the one-person empire. Right now, young creators are using artificial intelligence to do the work of entire marketing teams, film crews, and research departments. They aren't just influencers, they are CEOs of digital assets that print money while they sleep. Welcome to the Wealth File. Today, we're decoding the AI empire, how the barrier to entry for wealth has been destroyed, and why the next generation of billionaires won't have a single employee. The secret weapon is leverage. In the past, you needed capital or labor to scale a business. Today, you have code and media. Tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and InVideo have turned creativity into a commodity. A 19-year-old in a bedroom can now produce a documentary that looks like it came from Netflix. But having the tools isn't enough. The real wealth is moving toward those who know how to prompt, the architects who can direct AI to solve human problems. In this file, we're showing you the exact blueprint creators are using to turn 24 hours of work into a lifetime of passive income.